Okay, so today I was originally going to start something slightly new, show you what it's like painting and building the Primark robotgorillaman model, but I had a 6 AM start this morning and a 4 PM finish, so I am tired. But I'm not going to be able to do that well. I'm going to paint away, but I'm not going to make a full video on that today. But what happened was, some new painting stuff arrived. So what I'm going to do is show you my current painting setup, and then show you what I got and what I'm going to do to update it. Now this stuff is from Hobbyzone, I think it is, the website. I like to put all the links down in the description. But Hobbyz is the brand that's on everything, and I'll go through and I'll list all the products down below as well. But here's a look at what I currently have from them, including my Games Workshop and Citadel stuff that I've already got everything there lined out in one go. I'm going to update parts of that, and I've got some new sort of brush storing tools and sort of, you know, different things. You'll see it all when I open it, but just wanted to show you what I'm working with whenever I am painting. So if you need any inspiration for setting up your own desk, you can maybe use that. But otherwise, I'm just going to crack on ahead, show you what I got, build it, and then give you a sort of bit of an impression of what I feel like. So I'm really excited to see this stuff because I really love these little sort of ease of access or ease of storage devices and stuff that you can get. So I'm excited to sort of add to my painting setup and see what we can come up with. So stick around and we will see what it looks like. Okay, so I've got it all assembled. I kind of did it a bit differently, flipped the bottom upside down and turned the back to front because I wanted it the other way around, orientate it differently, as much as it looks like a mistake. And I think I'm going to spray paint it at some point as well, but I'll wait until another date to try and do that. I'm just going to integrate it all for now. But you can see it all assembled and set out here. I'm just going to move the little storage stand over to the side. It's all going to fit together really well, and I'm really looking forward to just sort of having an upgraded space, you know. So let me know what you think of the sort of layout and stuff down below, and really excited to hear what you guys think, and let me know if there's anything you would recommend getting, or if anything that you think I could try or do differently. And otherwise, see you for more painting next time.